Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Cricut with the Heart, and I'm back to share a Not2Shabby haul. So first, this is the Not2Shabby shop.com. Free shipping on US orders over 60. And there's also a free with 60 that she usually has that she throws in, or sometimes you can pick the free with 60 gift. And every so often she has free with $100. So you get a $60 gift and a $100 gift. She also has a rewards program, so if you purchase from her, you earn points, and then you can take those dollars off of your order. So, and she sent me a loyalty gift. She had sent me one last month, which I was super excited about, and I'm super excited about the one that she sent me. So she inspired me to look into more background stamps. So I did buy a couple background stamps in here. Let me go ahead and share with you what I got. First was the free with 60, and this is the Piñata. I can't remember if I have this or not. I might. If I do, I'll have to look and see if I do or not. If I do, I probably will just stash it, but I might not. I know I have Piñata stuff. I just don't know what I have. But that was the free one, this die. And then I did buy the Stamping Bella. They have backdrops, which is their background stamps. This one's a beach scene, and this is how it looks. Now that I've gotten kind of, I don't want to say good at masking, but I feel like I can do it and not be afraid of it, then I kind of want to give these a shot. So I got this one, and then I got this stamp. This is a Darcy, this is a Darcy one. And so this one, I don't know that I would mask. Maybe I would mask. I don't know. So I'm going to play around with this one, see what I could do with this. This is the Halloween scene from Darcy, and I think that'll be really fun to color up. And then I, of course, am a huge Greeting Farm fan. So the two companies that I just love is CC Designs and the Greeting Farm. And so I'm loving these, like, I guess, I don't know, are they bigger Anyas? They look older for some reason. But anyway, I'm just loving this size, and just that you get 3 of them. And this one's a coffee one, so it's super cute. I think it's called Coffee Break. I think it's what it's called. Yeah, this Anya Coffee Break. So I did get this one. Super excited. There's a winter one that just came out, and so I'm probably going to get that one next month. And then on the Not2Shabby shop YouTube channel, Jamie had made a bunch of different cards using this whimsy stamp. Die. And there's like 3 different ones, but I liked this one because it was wonky. This is a slimline marquee die. It's just a little bit wonky. And so I'm really excited about this. And she made some really cute cards using this die. And then what I really came here to show you was the Not2Shabby shop stamps. So I'm really excited. They're super cute. This one's called Happy Halloween. It's got a cute little witch. Because I thought, I don't know if these might be big for this. But maybe she could be off in the corner or something. Because she does look kind of, or maybe this guy can be rolling around in the, I don't know. We'll have to see. And then this one, which is called Happy Fall. Really cute. She shared a really cute card with this recently on her channel. And she made her own background, which is crazy. I haven't gotten to that point yet, but really cute. And then this one, which is called Warm and Cozy. Really adorable, kind of winter themed. And then this one, which is a Christmas or holiday themed one. And this one is called Happy Holidays. So loving that. Can't wait to use them. And so make sure that you check out her shop and check out her YouTube channel, because she does share a lot of different cards and things on there. Again, a lot of good ideas. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut with the Heart.